Hey guys, this is Neil here from InDepth Tech. So today in this video we are going to see how to trigger automations using the Sonoff temperature or a humidity sensor. So guys, it's really simple. If you have a device which is compatible with the EV-Link app, you can create automations easily by setting up scenes in the EV-Link application. So what if you don't have a device which supports the EV-Link app? So for an example, I have a Chroma IR Blaster and the partnered application for the IR Blaster is the SmartLife app. Also, I have a Chroma Smart Socket and partnered application for the socket is also the SmartLife app. So guys, today in this video we are going to see how to trigger automations in the EV-Link app and also triggering automations for the devices not compatible with the EV-Link. So guys, let's get started. So guys, first let us see how to create automation inside the EV-Link app. So guys, here I have a Sonoff 3-way channel which is connected to my lights. So just go ahead and open the EV-Link app. So guys, as you can see, I've already configured the temperature sensor. So now just go ahead and click on scenes, tap the plus icon, add. So guys, the temperature sensor is basically a smart device. So just go ahead and click on smart device, temperature. So guys, here we'll be creating an automation that if the temperature increases by 35 degrees, so my lights will turn off automatically. So I'll just go ahead and on the temperature rise, click on temperature, add value. I'll just add 35 degrees, save. Then add smart devices, my bedroom lights. So I want all the lights to switch off and off. Save. I'll just add a name, save. So guys, now let us go ahead and see if this automation works. So here I have is a candle which will help me to increase the temperature fast, and also as you can see the AC is off right now. So let's just go ahead and place the temperature sensor. So as you can see, it is 33 degrees right now. So as you can see, it has reached 35 degrees and the lights are off, and as you can see the AC has turned on. So guys, now let us go ahead and see how to create automations for devices which are not compatible with the EV-Link app. So just go ahead and open the IFTTT. So guys, to trigger these automations with some other partnered application, EV-Link app has a subscription for the IFTTT platform, which is $9.99, approximate $10 a year. So guys, by subscribing this, you can actually trigger automations with all the Zigbee sensors. So just go ahead and click on create, add, search for EV-Link. So here I'll just go ahead and search for temperature sensor. So temperature goes above or below. I'll click on the temperature sensor, above 35 degrees, continue. Then, so here I have is a Chroma IR Blaster and the partnered application for the IR Blaster is the SmartLife app. So just go ahead and search for SmartLife. Turn on, select device, air conditioning, continue, finish. So guys, here we'll also create an automation that if the temperature is below 36 degrees, so we'll run a automation. So now click on create, add EV-Link, temperature goes above or below, device temperature below 36 degrees, continue. Then SmartLife, turn off AC. Continue. Finish. So guys, here we'll add one more automation in which we'll switch on and switch off the smart socket. So let's just go ahead and click on the automation settings, add. So here the partnered application is the Smart Life app. So I'll just search for Smart Life. Click on activate scene, Wi-Fi socket, continue, update. So guys, here you can actually connect your heater or any other humidifier or dehumidifier with the smart socket. So you just need to go to the IFTTT platform and select a specific trigger. So guys, here now if the temperature rises above 35 degrees, the AC will turn on and also the Wi-Fi socket will turn on. So guys, now let us go ahead and see if this automation works. So I'll just go ahead and place the temperature sensor. So as you can see, the temperature is 30 degrees. $33 degrees. As you can see, the AC is turned on and the socket has also turned on. So guys, we have also created an automation that if the temperature decreases below 36 degrees, the AC will switch off. So let's just wait for 36 degrees, 36.2. $35.4, and as you can see, the IR blaster has sent a signal and the AC is switched off. So that's it for today guys. So in the next video I'll be showing you that how to trigger Alexa routines with the temperature sensor and also the smart button. So don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new, please subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.